He's a very, very good singer and an entrepreneur. You'll never know. One of these days, he'll be the next Henry C., Lucio Tan, or Rulito Bo. Here's Edgar.
Go!
Yan, baga.
Parang strawberry mo. Table 4! Table 4! Manak! Manak! Parang makaparindat tayo. Okay, everybody. Hi, Steve!
My love, I'll never find the words, my love, to tell you how I feel, my love. These words could not explain. Precious love, you held my life within your hand, created everything I am,
Ang labo.
taught me how to live again. Only you. And when I need a friend,
Dalawa pala katauhan.
leaving the truth it's so much to you. It's what you can love. God bless you. You make me feel brand new. Oh, God
ba? Kasi sa Blakan mo araw talaga Uy, ang galing mo, Edgar. Nakakapagpa. Ang iyong talento. Akalain mo, alam mo, if I were you, para mas dumami ang customer mo sa karinderi, ako man sa kanya, you make me feel brand new. Kung may lalabas ng minudo, kakata ka na, God bless you! Makakatulong yan. Sabi ko, thank you so much. A big round of applause for you. This family is Edgar, a multi-talented entrepreneur. Diyos ko, magaling to. Pwede ka sa Itbulaga.
Oo, kahit sino pwede.
Kahit sino pwede. KSP. Pwede, papasok ka doon. Ay, baka pag kita. Kapag naggagawa ka ng sisig.
O, diba?
Oo. Bakit yung ano yun? Parang nagtatrabaho sa supermarket sa SM. Mula